be starting the video a little weird, YouTube, but you know, today we installing some ISR. I got the mounts. This is solid mounts. Got it. I just put it in the deep freeze. Gotta let these bitches freeze. I'm gonna put this shit to the max. Be in the basement. Put this shit to the max. Let that bitch freeze up. Soon we're gonna be sending this block out. Gonna get this board out to 96. Soon got the heads. Got the timing cover. I gotta clean all that shit up. Crank, heads. Those I might be selling. I don't know yet. Those are HR manifolds. But gonna be sending the heads and the fucking block soon to the fucking spot. Man, shit. We also got some solid ISR, trans, and engine mounts. So when I go boost it, you know, look at the quality. And the quality looks good. Finish looks good. You know. Take these I still got to put together though. But I mean, for the quality and stuff, it's not bad. The finishes is good. Oh, that's probably me right there from it being in the box and shit, shaking it. How this one look? Yeah, I think that's about the same. See, finishes all good. Goes with all the hardware you need. Put it on. We also got the diff brace we're gonna install when I do the diff bushing today. I'm gonna do that, try to get that done today. And I'll upgrade the throw out bearing, bro. Motherfucking, what's this one? It's the fork. I'm gonna upgrade the CD09 eventually, but just for the time being. This fucking seals and stuff. Shout out to Z1, this one's Z1. That's from ISR. I'm trying to get a sponsor by them for sure. Shit, let me bring it outside. But that mouse typically I forgot to record, but yeah, I fucking hate this shit right here, bro. They didn't give me no straw, so shit came out like that. I hate that shit. It makes such a mess. Got the exhaust disconnected. Got the camera upside down. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, who cares? Got these three side off. The three on that side. Let's back it up a little bit. There we go. Disconnect the speed sensor on both sides. Doing that. Then I'm gonna have to go in the car, put in neutral, e-brake up, rotate it to where I can see the other three. So I typically try to like rotate it before so where you can do 3 at a time instead of 2 or 1. So me got that done on both sides, like I said. Got those soaking in WD-40. This fucking nasty ass shit. But taking off this other speed sensor, and I might have to hit these with a breaker bar because little Hercules ain't doing it right now. He ain't doing it. We got it, block that. He ain't doing it. But yeah, then after that, I'm gonna drop this. Hopefully these 3 come out easy. 1, 2, 3. I got the bushings freezing. Then I'm gonna have to take the whole white pipe back off. So when I have to do this right here, you gotta do these for the drive axle, drive shaft. So I mean, that's it. Let me get to it to show y'all what I mean, right? So I got it neutral, e-brake up. I'm holding the car on my phone, so it's all weird to me. So you see those 3 right there. I'm gonna rotate the tire. Ooh, let's try it. There we go. Rotate a little bit to where I get the other 3. Boop. Right about there is fine. The other 3, I got that side lined up a little bit. They threw it off a little bit because it's LSD in, but you get the point. I finally got this bitch out. So as you can see, look at the axles, all that hanging. Drive shaft's coming out anyway. I gotta take the trans and the motor out to do the mounts. Easier to do it that way, and I gotta do the clutch for it anyway. But as you can see, she's out. LSD, yes. Gotta hammer these out. There's 1. I'll show you when I get down. I've been down there all day. Fuck that shit. I'm about to empty this though to make it lighter because I gotta change it anyway. Who knows how long it's been. Probably factory. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm just gonna get straight to the point and burn them bitches. Fuck all that extra shit, gay. Okay, so I mean, y'all can see, I got this side out. Look at how much the fuck I heaved up the ground so much, bro. That it ended, like it fucking, the asphalt like literally coming up in pieces. But I got one out, so I mean I got them both out, but this one left the fucking this fucking ring. Like I gotta fucking, I'm using a fucking, oh I gotta back this camera up. See, I be forgetting, my fault, gang. Look at this, no bent my shit. This the cheap shit, that's why. But now I gotta try to pry this shit out. Same thing I'm gonna have to do on that one. In the main, the subframe diff bushing part. But yeah, she's out now after a whole lot of fucking burning. Shit, as you can see. Fuck. Hey yo, I had to do that to take the shit out. Look at this shit. Fuck. Okay, YouTube. You see I'm beating the fuck out of this shit. I got that. Yo, I got the cap to move though. The little, what's that shit called? We're gonna call it a cap. We're just gonna call it the cap, but I got brain fart. I got that shit to move. On this side, you can see it's popping out a little bit. So I'm just about to keep hammering this. Boop. Hitting the edges just softly a little bit. It's working. Yo, let's see when your pops come out. Oh man, look at those boys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my camera. Play this on YouTube. Look at that dead boy, man. Look at all them shits. Got that bit out, nigga. That bit a little beat up. Fuck it. Alright. Time to cut that. So the part that did come out is that right there. That came off. I thought it was the sleeve. And now we about to just make a little slit and hammer it out. Got that, cut that bitch out. Cut that little layer. And you can pop that bitch, huh? Like this. Like this. There we go. Spin it. Got it spinning. That bit in there. I got the camera down. Got my body. Got the diff out the freezer, boy. That bitch cold as hell. Man, white. Yeah. Alright. Shit cold as hell to my fingers. I gotta tap that shit in now. Alright, man, you see it. Alright, just tap it in. I got a piece of wood to put. Hit it with the hammer. Boop. Let me get that done.
With the
oh, that bitch in.
The backside?
What?
You did anything with it?
No. When you put the diff up, the diff got like you gotta like push the diff back, and then you push it forward. Then it will go the.
No, I'm saying you did anything with it.
What you mean?
Like upgraded it?
Nah.
Just change this?
Yeah, this is the upgrade.
Okay.
This is the upgrade. This is the solid mount.
All right.
The other one,
something else.
Then in the diff, no, on the actual diff itself, it's two solid mounts. We're gonna install. Those should be way easier. Okay. Because we could just hammer it from the top without any fucking doing this without any room and shit. That's it. I mean, she in there though. Look at that. Gotta wipe her down, clean up. That's it. WD-40 ain't hammering it. That shit work easy with that. I see. I got that side in. This one. Pretty much just a little wiggle. Oh, it's in place. Them bitches cold. Oh, boy, I'm about to catch force break. Oh, that one ain't slide in. Ain't that easy, but tap. It's in there. Let me put the camera down real quick. Okay, YouTube. So right now, as you can see, got this axle all torqued. I got this one down still because I filling it up, and I'm gotta torque these and the bolts for this. See, that's in. That's in. Now with this, it comes with this big ass thick bolt. You gotta feed this. Well, you don't feed, but you feed the bolt through that hole. This is another hole that lines up. Bolt. Loosen and take out these two bolts. 1, 2. And then they come with a short bolt to replace it and a long one. I'm just gonna put some blue thread lock on both, all three. Torque this. They got a torque, like a torque spec shit on Z1, the installation. They'll tell you, but you know, you remove these two bolts. Longer bolt go through the bottom, shorter through the top. Tighten this torque spec. Then it's time to take out the motor, do the mounts, and that's it. See, it's all in. I'm about to put that axle in, start ripping out the motor.